Hello student, here is a brief introduction to the online NEET Repeaters Program 2021 offered by BASE Educational Services Private Limited, Bengaluru. BASE has an excellent track record at NEET UG with thousands of our students pursuing MBBS and MD at top medical colleges in the country. From the time of its inception in 2013, the best rank in NEET UG for South India is from BASE. Going ahead, the success includes even those students who have taken the NEET challenge by repeating the exam. Let us look at some of the testimonials from BASE students who have been part of the NEET Repeaters program and are presently in prestigious medical colleges by securing merit seats.
Hello everyone.
My name is Raghuram.
Myself Farali.
Myself Sri Lakshmi Aman.
This is Sara.
I stand here to tell you a success story where I got into my dream profession.
Going back down the memory lane, when I attempted NEET for the first time and got my results, they were not that good and I was not satisfied with whatever marks I had got.
At first time I didn't crack the seat.
But unfortunately, being a resident of remote rural area, I was deprived from the best coaching centers for NEET, and that made my NEET score very low and unable to get medical seat in the first attempt. It was my childhood dream to be a doctor, and at that time then I came to know about there's a coaching centers called BASE in Bangalore.
So I heard about BASE from my friends and my family members.
My friends recommended me the BASE Institute. I didn't know about these coaching centers which were required or essential role or which they play to pass over or clear these entrance exams. When I came to the BASE, they told me
where they give full-term coaching center for repeaters
or people who have missed their rank just because of some confusion or error while they were reading.
For getting into medical colleges.
When I joined the full-timers course, my fear was that my rank was not so good enough. Could I crack this exam or could I clear it off, join medical seat? At the initial point, my physics and chemistry concepts was not so strong as I read for board exams.
As the days passed, it was fine. Like I understood what I have to do, how I have to prepare. The faculty here helped me a lot. The guidance, they always guided, and it helped how to pursue it, like how I should go about the subject, how I should prepare myself to take up the test.
The technique required to solve any question in specified amount of time with multiple options that requires specific approach to the questions. So the moral and ethical support which I got from here gave me some self-confidence to start up with.
Actually BASE is one institute I can't forget throughout my life.
I wish my friends, my juniors, all the best. You do come here, join, start preparing, have belief in yourself, and with the support you get in this institute, I surely hope that you get into the dream medical colleges you want.
Welcome back. Let us look at the 4 components of the NEET Repeaters program. Excellent lectures by subject experts, regular assessment, individual monitoring and mentoring with comprehensive courseware. The NEET Repeaters program conducted in an online mode will be held in these 3 phases, 1, 2 and 3. Phase 1 will comprise of completion of first and second year portions in physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. Online classes will be held from 8 am to 3:45 pm. In physics, chemistry and biology, 10 online lectures will be enabled for you per subject per week. All online lectures will focus mainly on NEET level concepts with special emphasis on solving MCQs. BASE also offers an online platform, QBase, to post subject-related queries with a prompt response system. The regular assessment in Phase 1 will comprise of weekly online tests and online cumulative monthly tests in NEET pattern. Both these tests will offer you instant results when you submit the test. During phase 2, though phase 1 would have tackled all 97 chapters, phase 2 allows you a chance to revisit each of those 97 chapters by giving you part tests. And this particular phase 2, called as NEET Intensive Program, also will have post-test question by question analysis of all tests done in an online mode. Phase 3 will be held a month before NEET UG 2021. During these tests, post-test question by question analysis will also be offered in an online mode. With excellent adaptability, BASE will offer the NEET mock test both in an offline as well as an online mode. Without the burden of writing board exams and practical exams next year, I'm sure you can devote more than 12 hours per day towards NEET 2021 preparation and give a tough competition to the students who will be writing NEET for the first time along with their board exams next year. If you have the dream to get into a top medical college, let BASE help you realize your dream. I'm confident that sincere efforts from your side and our support will go a long way in ensuring success in NEET 2021. Thank you.